I know everybody in this room here, and we just have a statement we want to make, and we won't be taking any questions today. It's just a statement that we want to make. First of all, this is Connie Moore and Addison's daughter and Connie's mother, and the first thing we want to tell everybody is that they got calls and people come to their house from overseas, media networks and places from overseas. She got a call right before she came here from one of the networks. We want to just tell everybody that they don't want to make any statements right now. That any kind of communication should come through this office. If there's something that we want to get them involved in or get them to make statements, then we'll do that. Okay. Everybody locally, y'all know how we operate here, and we'll get it done that way. The lawyers on this case, we got a call from Connie, and they came in the office and retained us this week. I will be of counsel in this case. I've got put together, I think, one of the most outstanding team of defense lawyers in the state of Alabama. Robert Tootin's not here today. Mark McDaniel, Nick Headley, and Nick Law. All these young people are again seasoned criminal defense lawyers, and they'll be fighting this case. We know that we are against in this matter a very professional, a very seasoned prosecutor. We admire him, we respect him. We know we have our work cut out for us because of that. We respect that. We have a preliminary hearing that's coming up on June the 20th. We will be appearing before Judge Carol Medley in that matter. Judge Medley is one of the most respected judges in the state of Alabama. We look forward to that having proceedings at that time. The preliminary hearing is a probable cause hearing. It is not a guilt or innocence proceeding. This will be for the escape case, not for the capital murder. This is an escape case. The preliminary hearing is a probable cause hearing. It's not a trial where you have a jury. That's where the state will have to put on enough evidence to show probable cause. We will not be putting on a defense at that time. Okay, and so that's how that will play out. There has been a lot of social media in this matter, a whole lot. Nick Law told me there's one Facebook site with 50,000 followers. And Lynn told me there was a Reddit situation that was set up out there for this case. Let me say to everybody on the social media, the further you go down that rabbit hole, the less reliable your information is. Let me promise you that. Everybody in this room knows that everything's going to come out in the courtroom. This story is going to be told. It's going to be told in the courtroom. Okay, and everybody in this room knows it because you've covered up so many trials, and you know that that it will come out and it will unfold. And we do have a story to tell. We can't tell it right now, but we do have a story to tell. I promise you that. Okay, and these fine lawyers will be presented. One other thing before I go, we've had some at this office today and in my home. I've had some threats come my way. Physical threats and threats to properties. And let me say this to the people that's doing that, okay, that it's not going to make a damn bit of difference. All your calls and all your threats that you make, it's not going to make any difference. I've been practicing law 45 years. I've been threatened every way you can be threatened, and I've been accused about everything. So if you want to keep doing that, you just keep on doing it. It's not going to affect how we're going to represent this man right here. We're going to give him the best defense that we can possibly give. If you want to call and you want to threaten my life, or if you want to threaten whatever you want to threaten, you go ahead and have at it, okay? It's not going to affect anything we do in this case, all right? I want to make that clear. And I'm looking at camera and say that for you people that are calling and making those threats right now, okay? With that, I appreciate y'all coming. Thank you very much. This is going to be we got a escape case, we got a capital murder case, we got a lot of matters going on here. It's a complicated case. It's going to go on for a while. Y'all will be patient with us, and we'll be following all kinds of motions and stuff like that. Thank these good lawyers for being with me in this matter. I trust them with my life. They're good people. And I thank y'all for being, and Robert, I wish Robert was here, thank y'all for being here. Most importantly, we thank these people right here. They've been doing an awful lot, and we're gonna be with you, okay?
We appreciate it.
And you know that, okay? Addison, thank you for calling about your daddy. I know y'all love him, and we're gonna do what we can to protect his rights, okay?
Thank
And with that, thank y'all very much for coming.
Change of venue is.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. There will be, one of the first motions filed will be a motion to change the venue. Absolutely. And that'll be in the capital murder case. The other case, the escape case, is in district court. That's the lower court. That's where you have a preliminary hearing. We'll be filing a motion to change the venue in that case when it gets up to circuit court. But right now, the case that's in circuit court is the capital murder case. And absolutely, we will be filing a motion to change the venue. Absolutely. All right. Thank y'all for coming. Thank you.